Hi everyone. In this video we'll learn how to use Chatgpt. I use the free version 3.5. We will use it to create a simple WordPress plugin. First, I don't know what the idea of the plugin, so I will ask Chatgpt to give me a simple idea or idea for a simple plugin. So let's, for example, ask give me an idea for simple WordPress plugin. And let's see what Chatgpt will give us. Certainly, how about random quote of the day plugin? So Chatgpt give me random quote random quote of the day plugin idea. And also it gives me a simple outline of the functionality, how it works, starting from back end, front end setting, and so on. So the back end, create a custom post type for quotes, add custom meta box for entering the source author of the quote, allow user to add, edit, bleed quotes from the WordPress admin. And also here the front end, display random quotes on the home page or in a widget, or providing a short code for users, and providing a short code for users to manually insert a random code, and so on. Let's ask to give me the code of random code plugin. Let's see what will it gives us. So random quote of the day plugin, WordPress plugin, code. It starts to generate the code. Let's see. Create a new directory for your plugin, for example random code plugin. Let's see. Creating WordPress plugin involves a series of PHP, HTML, and potentially JavaScript code. Below a simplified example of random code of the day plugin. So let's see. Please know that this is a basic illustration, and you may want to enhance it based on your specific needs. Okay, so it gives me a simple code. I have this theme, and this theme has no plugins, so I will use this code to create the random code plugin. So I will copy this code, and it tells me to create random code plugin. let's copy this and let's create a directory here in the plugins, and let's create a folder and name it random code plugin, and inside it let's create a file called random code plugin.php. And let's copy the code and let's see, save it, and let's see what will happen. Let's reload the page, and here we are. We have a new plugin called Random Code of the Day, and its description: display random code on your website. This information comes from here: plugin of the day, and the description, and the version, and the author name. I didn't give any author name. Automatic updates. Let's see. Let's activate it. Now we have an activated plugin, and as you can see here in the sidebar of the dashboard, you can see the codes plugin. Let's see. We have here codes, and we don't have any codes. So let's add new, for example. My new code. Don't know how what to write. Hello world, for example, or hello world from my codes plugin. And as you can see here, let's publish it. Here we can save it as a draft. We can review it, and the code author. Let's see how it looks like. Page not found. So this is a custom view post. We don't have page not found. Let's see. This code provides us with a short code, random code. Let's, for example, code with the authors. Let's create a new page. I have here. Let's create a new page, for example. And name it codes, for example. And here, let's publish it first, and view page. We have codes. And let's try this random code. And here on the random on the codes page, let's add short code, and let's copy our random code, short code, and update. let's add some content. For example, this is content, and let's update this. Updating failed. The response is not a valid HTTP response. And it sounds it works. And here we have an error on updating the page, but we have here the code on the codes page. Here is the page title, and here is our first code. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching.